Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Southwest, and you can see today is June 13th. We are looking at the week ahead. This is a buy position. Why? The week has now weekly has tested the support level, and then we're expecting this thing to start eating up as long as this level holds. So for those of you who are interested in owning the stock, it's time to buy next week. It's time to accumulate the stocks and start holding it until it goes up, because this support level is holding. It is important to know that it may come back and retest this one again, but if it does, continue to buy, because we believe that the airline stock is going to go up once the economy starts improving, vaccine is found for the virus, and then people become comfortable flying. This is a buy. Southwest Airlines. I hope this helps. Thank you.